Hello, let's create some nice PDF files from our views. Here you can see we have a summary home, and when I try to use a print function from the browser, you see that it looks quite nice. However, there are some additional graphical elements that are overlapping with our page, so we don't actually see the entire view. We can play around with options such as headers, footers, and background graphics. However, we still have some overlapping elements and we can't see the entire view. So what we can do is actually use a parameter called Printable version. So please go to Alerts Activity, Alerts. From here we can go to More, Printable version. You can see it already has less graphical elements, and we can copy paste the URL. And let's copy paste the URL of the dashboard that we want to export as PDF. From here we can add ampersand and copy the printable true parameter. And let's try to run it in the browser. You can see we don't have an upper menu as well as few other additional graphical elements. So we can now use the print function, and you see it looks much better. We can add few additional options from here. It looks quite nice. And now we can save it as PDF. And let's see the result. Yeah, it looks quite nice. And as you can see, we don't have any overlapping elements. And of course, all of the hyperlinks are available for us, and we can click on any one. And the browser will redirect us to this page. We can actually do more with this parameter. For example, we can add it as a widget. So let's go back to our dashboard, click Customize Page, Add Widgets, and from here, Custom HTML. And we need to add additional custom text. So I will have this included in the video description. Basically, it's a very simple script that will add a printable true parameter to the URL. We can name it links and submit. And you can see that it is not actually working. It's simply displaying the code instead of actually running it. So what we need to do is we need to go to Advanced Configuration. I will also have this link in the case description. And we need to find HTML resource, HTML resource sanitization enabled. So we need to disable it. And it's actually a security option from SolarWinds, so that we won't be able to run any web scripts by default. So we can disable it. Let's wait a little bit. And now we can refresh our page. So let's see. There you go. Now we have a printable version. So we can click on this, print version. And you can see now we don't have an upper menu and we can export it as PDF. If you will see some elements being cropped, you can play around with page paper size, A3, A4, or you need to adjust the width of widgets. So depending on your dashboard and how large it is, it might require some additional modification to make it work. And you can use this parameter also for other things. So let's copy paste it. And here I have reports. You can do the same. So let's copy paste it, run it, and now you have a nice report that you can use and export to PDF. One drawback is that those parameters will not work for modern dashboards, only the classic ones. However, I think it is still very useful. You can find everything that I used in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.